Special marine warning! Here we go! I literally just went to get a bag of Doritos.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Burns Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 3:45 p.m. At 2:19 p.m. A line of strong thunderstorms were located from 5 nautical miles west of Winthrop Harbor to 10 nautical miles southwest of Calumet Harbor, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. These strong thunderstorms will be near Wilmette Harbor and Northerly Island around 2:40 p.m. Offshore waters of Chicago around 2:40 p.m. Calumet Harbor around 2:50 p.m. Mariners can expect wind gusts to 40 knots, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.